welcoming us here, Land Bank, and other agencies that we're partnered with. Of course, the Department of Finance, the Department of Agriculture, Phil Guarantee, President, is also here, and also a lot of other stakeholders. So thank you very much. We're excited to be launching in Bukidnon our AgriCenso Plus program and Ascend, which is really the supplementary program that extends financial education and literacy to a lot of our stakeholders. So thank you for having us here, and we're very excited to be launching this.
Okay, now allow me to, do you have any statement? Yes, welcome them, Ma'am Ruby Casado.
Happy to be here.
Our CEO and President of Land Bank. Okay. So we'll have the first question.
Yes, I have the first question. Ma'am, the program AgriCenso vows to continue to advance agriculture and rural development and empower communities from countryside to countrywide. How are we going to do this?
So I guess let me take a step back further. For Land Bank, our support for agriculture, fisheries, and rural development is to really provide capital and all our resources to support the entire ecosystem. So what it really means is that the first step, of course, is extending credit facilities that are accessible, convenient, affordable to our clients, to our farmers and fishers. And then, of course, the second thing is to ensure that the ability to manage the businesses, to manage the farms, are also in place, that we're able to assist. So this is really our mandate, and our mission is to ensure that not only Land Bank, which is the bank of the people, really, that we are able to provide this assistance, but we also bring to the force the entire government. So that's why DA is here with us. That's why ACTC, that provides also all credit facilities, that's why they are here, partnered with us. And I think that's why we also have our insurance leg, the insurance arm of the government, to supplement all of these programs that we have with life insurance. So it's really a very complete product that we are, and service that we are extending. I'd like to also say that this is not new. This is not new to Land Bank. We have been really extending all these credit facilities, right, to farmers, fishers. We have been advocating and supporting rural development. But what we've done is listen to our clients where there have been, let's say, issues around bakit ang tagal, bakit ang daming dokumento na pinaprocess, bakit mahirap.
Yes, that's the gap.
Tama po. So ang ginawa po namin is, kami po in Land Bank with our partners in government, pinag-isipan po namin, how can we make it easier? Because of course, going to a bank sometimes is a little daunting. It's a little like parang, ano gagawin namin? So ang gusto po namin is madali po yun. It's very easy to transact. So even in documentation, pinasimple po namin yun. Dun po sa interest, mas mababa rin po. And then on top of that, marami pong services na dinagdag so that hindi nga po. As I mentioned, insurance, tapos yung foundation, pati yung mga partners. Marami po kaming partners na sa private sector po eh. So tinutulungan din po kami to make sure na talaga pong we're able to scale and reach more farmers, fishers.
Yeah. So, Chair, next question is from Radyo Pilipinas.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, good morning.
Isa po sa mga problema ng ating magsasaka is yung talaga ang pautang. Now, my question is, magkano ang interest dito? Affordable lang ito sa ating mga magsasaka at sa mga mahirap natin ng kababayan.
Okay, thank you po. What we've done po, alam niyo po naman na ang cost of funding sa bangko ay market, no? So, ngayon po, I guess the welcome news is pababa na rin po ang interest rate. Kahapon po yung PSP, binabaan po yung policy rate. Pero kami po, we understand fully our mandate na talagang dapat maging affordable po yung loans, no, yung mga credit extensions. So, nahanapan po namin ang paraan na i-blend po yung financing, meaning yung funding po ng bangko with other funds na available po coming from the government. So ito po coming from a pool of funds po na mapapababa yung interest rate. So that's my long answer to actually what our rate is right now, which is 4% po. So if you think po na yung overnight rate po ng BSP is 5.25, kahapon lang po yung binaba, kami po for lending term. So kung ano yung tenor ng crop loan, let's say po 90 days or 6 months or 9 months, 4% lang po.
Interest, fixed interest po yun.
Oo, per annum po yun.
Per annum po yun.
Opo.
So ilang taon po yan babayaran?
So, it depends po kung ano yung tenor, kung ano po yung tenor ng loan. So, yung loan po, minamatch po yon sa pangangailangan ng umuutang. So, let's say, either you wanna go to a crop.
To be specific po, rice production. Ang rice production kasi, di ba, tatanim nila 120 or 25 days. Pag nangutang yung farmer, of course, after the harvest, kailangan pa niya ibilad, ibibindapan niya. So, may allowance po tayo pinipigay. So, for rice po, it's 180 days or 6 months. But of course, kung available na po, nabentanan po niya, pwede po niyang bayaran yung earlier before the due date. Ang kagandahan po dito, kung kailan niya babayaran, kung magbabayad siya ng earlier, yung po, kung kailan niya inutang hanggang sa day na nagbayad siya, yun lang po ang kukumpita ng interest. So the earlier na magbayad yung farmer, the lesser is the interest.
So it's customized.
Thank you.
Okay, next
Ma'am
question.
Ruby, si Sir John sa nakalisten.
Ay, Sir Joe. Next sa kay Sir Joe.
Sir Vance, kindly tell us in a nutshell what Agri-Sense is all about and why Bukidnon for this particular program.
So, we are very excited to be in Bukidnon. This is po the food capital po in Mindanao. And ang produce po na nanggagaling dito is really a range, right? We have rice, corn, and all other high-value crops, coffee, pineapple, bananas. So, ito po is the perfect launch in Mindanao for Agri-Sense of Plus. Ngayon po, we've been in other provinces. We were in Cagayan, we were in Pampanga, we were in Nueva Ecija. So marami po kaming napuntahan. Ito po yung first salvo namin dito sa Mindanao. And we're very happy po. We're very happy that marami po nag-attend dito. So later po, when you watch po our videos and also hear all the speakers, you'll get a lot more details po on Agri-Sense of Plus. Tel, anything to add?
Yes, ma'am. So, ang Agri-Sense of Plus na lending program po natin is very holistic. It's because hindi lang po siya sa lending program. So, sabi na po ng ating presidente that our interest rate is very affordable at 4%, but it also comes with free insurance. So, meron po siyang life insurance at credit life insurance. So, it's really a protection for our farmers. And apart from that, we made our documentation very simple. So marami na po dito sa atin ang nakahiram. So maano po nila masasabi talaga na pinasimplify na po natin ang ating proseso. Yan. So, maliban po doon, meron pa po tayong training. So kanina po umaga, I think it's ongoing now, meron po tayong training na ginagawa for our farmers.
Okay, so Sir Cheng.
Yes, go ahead.
Last question.
Oh, you have a good last.
Last question from
Okay.
Gold Star.
I'm Barney Sir from Gold Star Daily.
Yes.
Since ang Bukidnon ang ikalima, no? Moy Gilans aron Puglawa. Sir, may mga partner na din yung DA na DAR, no? So, unsay support from Land Bank para anin na mga partner?
Okay, sir.
ARPs.
So, kasi, as sinabi ni Ma'am kanina, yung isultigay na sir, ako binisayon para klaro sa tanan, no? Sa atong mga tagapagpaminaw sa radyo o katanaw sa TV. Kung makita ninyo, nagka-coordinate ni sa iba-ibang, sa tanan ahensya sa gobyerno, DA, DAR, ACPC, Bill Guarantee. Kasi gusto na mo na ma-address ang risk, no? So, naaming mga working arrangements sa ila, trainings, kasi especially sa technical, because gusto na mo nga ma-improve ang productivity sa itong mga farmers. So, ang role sa land bank, mag-provide sa funds. Si DA mag-provide sa technical assistance, no? Para sa pag-improve sa ilang mga increase sa productivity sa ilang mga gipagtanong, no? Kape, rice, corn, mas tanan nga crops. Kasi ang agrisenso, dili lang siya focus sa rice, dili lang siya focus sa corn. It covers all types of commodities, no? So ang role sa DAR, kasi atong i-ensure nga ang mga agrarian reform beneficiaries makautang, matagaan ng assistance pinaagi sa agrisenso. Ang ACPC, naapod yung mga working arrangements sa ila, kasi like mga trainings, we can also coordinate, and even pag-tap sa mga kanang atong gitawag og anchor firms, no? Sa marketing assistance. So we collaborate with all national agencies para matabangan to ensure na naay market ang atong mga farmers.
One last to. Last na lang yun. Tira. Sir, Juan, ang Silan Bank nag-offer of 4.0% interest annual. No? So, pwede ba na ito mabalat? Kaya naman tayo mga kabamidya. Kung pila ang ma-release individual or by group or nag-go-up na pwede pa mong apel sa loan?
Maximum.
Yeah.
Sa mga farmers, kung mangutang sila sa land bank, kaning mga farmers nga directly mangutang under the Agrisenso Plus lending program. Ang farmers kung production loan, they can borrow as much as 90% sa total production cost. So gaya na sa akong presentation, kung ang kinahanglanon sa farmer para magtanom sa isang hektare yung rice, for example, 60,000, they can borrow maximum of 54,000. So, para ipalit nila o abono, seeds, pesticides, or even parts sa kanilang pag-prepare sa ilang farm. Now, kung palit sila, in case gusto silang mag-mechanize, they can borrow as much as 80%. So, halimbawa, magpalit siya o harvester. Ang cost ng harvester is 1 million. So, pwede siya mangutang sa land bank 800,000. Ang 200,000 na lang ang iyang ihatag ni equity. And pag fixed asset loans, kaning pagabayaran niya sa sunod sa isa ka termino agrihan sa bangko o sa atong borrower. So for example, 7 years to pay. Kaya kung mukita siya, di man na niya makita dahil para ibayad niya sa land bank. So kana siya bayaran utay-utay or amortize sa sunod, for example, sa 5 years o 7 years. So ang iyang bayaran, every time magbayad siya, na ay principal o parte sa interest.
Okay.
Sige.
Sige, so, papagugyan na.
Ayun, so, magandang umaga po sa lahat. So, ma'am, panglima na po ngayon yung Land Bank Agrisenso Plus Lending Program sa Pilipinas. So, para po ngayong taon, ilan pa po yung ilo-launch nyo na kagaya nitong program na to?
So I think, well, we're going to the Visayas, that's for sure. I think we're about to launch four more, right? For the rest of the year. So 4 or 5 more. And actually, we're not tied to the number. As and when we're needed, we will be there.
Thank you so much.